We'll guide you through how to get ChatGPT help efficiently and effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll see various options at the top of the page. Click on the ChatGPT tab to be directed to the ChatGPT help section. Next, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it by clicking on the sign up button, which will prompt you to enter your email and set a password. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main ChatGPT interface here. You'll see a text box where you can start typing your questions or requests for assistance. Simply type in your query and hit enter. ChatGPT will process your request and provide a response in real time. If you're looking for more specific help, you can use the help or support button, usually located at the bottom or top of the interface. This will give you access to a more detailed help section or FAQ where you can find answers to common questions and troubleshooting tips. It's also good to know that you can adjust the settings to refine the type of assistance you receive or manage your account details. If you ever get stuck, remember there's always a support team you can reach out to via the contact information provided on the website. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.